How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some TJ dogs, a classic in the SoCal area. It was super quick, super simple, and pretty cost efficient if you're looking for a budget-friendly dinner. Let's get started. So what you're going to need for your hot dogs is hot dog buns, beef frank hot dogs, some bacon, and pico de gallo, ketchup, and mayo. I'll have a link for a super simple pico de gallo recipe down in the description below, so check that out before you continue with this video. So there's 3 ways that you can cook your bacon wrapped hot dogs. I'm going to be going over 2 of them because the 3rd one takes quite a bit of time. First one we're going to be going over is sauteing it. The second one, which we won't be going over, is using an oven. And the 3rd one, if you somehow had money and unnecessarily spent it on a fryer like I did, well, you can use a fryer too.
So to start off, you're going to want to wrap the hot dog in bacon. The easiest way is to wrap it in a diagonal angle to get the most coverage. Be sure to squeeze the hot dog at the end to really seal the bacon with it. For the saute pan method, you're going to want to heat the oil at a medium-high heat before placing the hot dog in. Once you've placed the hot dog in, be sure to turn the hot dog occasionally. For my personal preference, I like the hot dog to be a little bit toasted, and I definitely didn't burn it on accident running the pan too high of a heat. Obviously not. For frying the hot dog, be sure to turn your fryer on to 350 degrees. Once it's cooked up to 350 degrees, place the hot dog into the basket and fry it for about 45 seconds to a minute. If you notice that the bacon's unwrapping from the hot dog, a quick fix would be using 2 toothpicks and injecting them both on each end of the hot dog. That'll keep the bacon in place when you fry it. For assembling the hot dog, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start off with opening the bun and spreading mayo onto one side. Next, you're going to want to move on to the ketchup and do the same thing as the mayo, just spread it on one side. Then place the hot dog inside the bun. And lastly, you're going to want to top it off with some pico de gallo. And now you have a fully prepared, ready to eat TJ dog.
And that's how you make a TJ dog. Super simple, very budget friendly if you need something to get you going, get you through for a couple days. If you like what you see, definitely hit that like button somewhere down there and hit the subscribe button as well if you want to see more content like this. I also do vlogs, and I'm looking to do just like video game let's plays, pretty much whatever I want to do. So I hope you guys enjoy what you see, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.